This video provides an example of setting up the time and temperature for weekday and weekend schedules. This program time format allows you to establish one program that operates from Monday to Friday and another program from Saturday to Sunday. During the weekdays, the heater will turn on at 9 a.m. and heat the room to 22 degrees Celsius. It will stay at that temperature until 5:45 p.m., when it will turn down to 4 degrees Celsius. During the weekends, the heater will turn on at 8:30 a.m. and heat the room to 22 degrees Celsius until 1 p.m., when it will turn down to 4 degrees Celsius. For both schedules, the heater will maintain the 4 degrees Celsius until program 1 starts the next day. Let's set up the heating program for program number 1. To set up the heating program, the CRXSL has to be in program mode. Press and hold P for 5 seconds. Program mode is now displayed with program number 1 flashing. Press P to confirm program number. The minute display is now shown flashing. Press P to confirm minutes. The hour display is now shown flashing. Press the up or down button to set hour. Press P to confirm hours. The program temperature is now shown flashing. Press the up or down button to set temperature. Press P to confirm temperature. This program is now set. The days are shown flashing ready for the next program. Please refer to part 2 of this video. It will show you how to set up the heating program for program number 2.